Hi, my name's Tim Wade. I'm here at the Cabin of Old Town. I run the store here and make all the things that you're fixing to see. Today I'm going to work on some utensils, and this is a long spatula, and it's kind of rough right now, but when it gets finished it'll look pretty good. So we'll get started. Everything is done by hand and just by eye. They're all unique. I try to make them the same, but anytime you got handmade, there might be small variations, but I try to make them all very as similar as I can. Edges, and I will actually taper it and make this kind of a slight curve so that it's easy to get stuff under under your food. Here's the finished product. These are various styles that I do. Everything from spurtles, which is one of my most popular items. It's a good multi-tool stir type thing. I just made these last night. To peanut butter knives. I mean, I got roux and push pulls for the oven, and stirrers and spatulas. So all of these are variations of useful kitchen utensils, and they're all made here locally by me, and I try to resource wood locally from Berea.